Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change ear tips on TOZO Crystal Pods. So of course you should have two additional sizes inside the box. I'm gonna replace these default ones with larger ones, and let's get right into it. So in order to remove the ear tips, you can actually do something like this so that it might be a little bit easier for you. And we can simply use just a little bit of force in order to take them out. They should come out really easily. There shouldn't be any issue. Remember to put them back on like this. And of course you do the same thing with the other earbud as well. Of course this is optional, you don't have to do this, you can just take them out without doing this. Let's put this aside. And now let's put on the bigger ones. So what you need to keep in mind is that, as you can see when you take a look at this part that goes into the earbud, they are a little bit wider on the sides, so you should try to match that so that it is a little bit easier to put them on. And try to simply push it in, try to maybe start from the top and then push it at the bottom as well, and they should go in pretty easy. Let's do the same with the other one. And of course, doing this is still optional. You can put on the tips pretty easily as well once you get used to it, without putting them back to front. And I'm gonna start. Let's see if this matches. There we go. So it should be something like this. And then just perhaps start from the top. Let's see if this works. I'm having a little bit of trouble, but it should go in pretty easily. Try to twist it, maybe this helps. And there we go. So you might need to push it a little bit forward onto the earbuds so that you can actually put them on, but it shouldn't be too difficult to put on different ear tips. And that is it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!